A Nassau County man who deputies say called 911 after shooting and killing his wife, son, and daughter is undergoing a mental competency evaluation. William Broyles is facing 3 counts of murder. News4JAX reporter Ann Maxwell is joining us from the Public Defender's Office to explain their latest court filing in the case. Ann.
Defense attorneys have filed a motion asking for an attorney ad litem to be appointed for Broyles. This motion also says that Broyles has shown signs that he's incompetent to proceed in a trial. On December 1st, investigators found the bodies of Candace, Kara, and Aaron Broyles inside their Callahan home. William Broyles, the victim's husband and father, respectively, is charged with murder in their deaths. According to this court filing, Broyles has shown signs that he's incompetent to proceed, and his defense is in the process of having him evaluated. Criminal defense attorney Shannon Schott, who is not affiliated with the case, tells News4JAX sometimes the crime itself can indicate incompetence.
Looking at this crime, I think the term is a family annihilator, and he immediately confesses to what he did, allegedly. There's all the signs are adding up to incompetence.
Last time we saw him, he was on suicide watch and in one of those smocks. I mean, could that be something that factors in?
Absolutely.
The filing says Broyles is in an isolation cell at the Nassau County Jail with no access to internet or telephone. The public defender writes Broyles needs immediate assistance with matters not covered by the representation from the public defender's office, and that Broyles can't handle the matters himself.
The Office of the Public Defender represents people in a criminal defense capacity. Unlike maybe a private firm who may be able to aid in other matters, they are very narrow in what they're able to do and what services they provide.
It's not clear what these urgent matters are, but the defense is asking for another attorney to be appointed to take care of them. Schott says if Broyles is found to be incompetent, the trial would be put on hold, and that he would be sent to treatment to try to make him competent, or he would be involuntarily committed. It'll be up to a judge on whether to grant the request the defense is asking for. Live downtown, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.